What is up, guys? As y'all see from the title, we are finally loading my Corvette. Also gonna be taking off the side molding too, so cars gonna look amazing. That though, I'm washing my car, so I'm gonna grab all this stuff. I like this wheel cleaner a lot. Cleaning my wheels pretty good. Yeah, we're definitely needing a wash. So if y'all didn't know, the C5, C6, and the C5, you can lower them with a factory bolt. But my friend Jackson, shout out to you, I know you're watching this. He sent me some lowering bolts, so I'm not gonna be able to go too low because the way of my shop, the way it is. But yeah, it's gonna look way better. I'm very excited. Even though I drive this car daily, it's still so much fun to me. It's just as fun as the day I got it. I genuinely love this car so much. I don't know about y'all, but I love using these things. It's so satisfying. To get a custom license plate that wasn't cringy, what should I do? Do I think I should just put take my YouTube name or something cool? If y'all have any ideas, put it in the comments below, because I don't really know. Bro, my car is looking so good right now. The sunset, or not sunset, but you know what I mean. Oh, I love this so much. Okay, so I just want to point out, you see this gap right here? The fitment is really good. But I'm gonna eliminate most of this as much as I can. So see where my foot can go under. It's gonna be sitting on my foot because it's gonna be the same ride height as it was before, but with these wheels. And same with the front, just a little lower. Now my front do poke a tiny bit, and honestly, this may fix it. If not, later on, if it bothers me really bad, I'll just get stretch the tire out a little bit. But right now, it looks so good. I'm gonna be taking out these two, the side railings, because it's what everyone takes off. And I'm not doing it because everyone else does it. I'm doing it because it looks good. It just makes the car body line flow better, in my opinion. But yeah, guys, what do y'all think? I love it. I'm so happy with my car right now. I just remember watching videos of C5s when they were more popular on TikTok and stuff like that since middle school. And I don't know, it's just a crazy feeling, you know what I mean? Just looking at what you're creating and just taking it in. Because dude, this is so beautiful, bro. Oh, I can't wait to lower it. It's gonna look so good. Now it's nighttime. I haven't been able to do the lowering bolts yet, or the side molding, but me and Ismael, we're gonna go get Dave's Hot Chicken real quick, so. I still don't really know what I prefer, the quiet mode or the loud mode, both. It's not really good. The loud mode's just raw, loud, and the quiet mode, through the muffler, it's really refined and clean. I don't know, I like both. The gas is low-key cheap right now. Color, how pretty it is. That's why I love dark blue and green. So shiny. Made it to Dave's. Sorry, it's wet outside. It's raining, so my camera's wet. But I literally just cleaned my car. It's already wet. Guys, this is the next day. Ran out of time, but yeah, we're about to get started. So I just want to show y'all. This is what I'm talking about with the garage angle. you can't really see from here, but it's at an angle like that. But yeah, it's literally just a bolt like this, and I didn't know how to use this.
We're going to lower the C5 in the front. We've taken the shock bolt off and the upper control arms. We've got a jack up under the control arm to support it because it does have a leaf spring and it's got some pressure. I'm going to remove the bottom shock bolts, take the shock completely out. And then the front sway bar bottom bushing. The upper bolts are 15 and I think this was 11/16. But the bottom bolt of the sway bar, we're going to take it out, move it out of the way, and then lower the jack and take out this lowering bolt, swap the bolts out. So
this is the difference between the old one and the new one. The freaking bolt broke while we're tightening it. So that's the thing. We're not going to take off my side railings today. That's going to be another video we're going to be doing. Freak, voice crack. Okay, we're finished, but now we gotta drive to let it settle. Just can't really tell right now. Okay, it's not settled right now. So far I can't really see how much like lower it is. I don't know how it could, you know, if it's squatted or raked right now. The front, it was really hard, I'm not gonna lie. 2 of the bolts broke, and the back, not so much. I feel like it's lower, like look at that. No, that's definitely lower. No, it's definitely lower. Okay, I'm driving around right now to let it settle because we had to lift it up for a little bit. So far, I feel like it is lower. I don't know if it's just like in my head, you know what I mean? But all right, I just need to lower the back like slightly because there's a slight rake to it, like nothing horrible. So I mean, it's fine for now. But I am gonna fix that later on. We made my brake caliper look a little cleaner. Like we scrubbed off the Corvette logo, so that looks really good. Thanks to my dad, he helped me throughout this entire thing. All right guys, this is the next day. Just got home from school. I want to show y'all how good it looks. Look how good it looks, dude. Way lower in the front, like way lower in the front. Now, the back, we did fix the rake, but there's still a like slight rake. So I don't know, sometime this week I'm gonna fix it. I'm not like too worried about it right now. So if y'all were like not sure about the ride quality on these, I haven't drove them long enough to like really tell the difference. But like on the way here, I did hit a bump, a little bit of stiffer, bouncier feeling, like a tiny bump. So it is a little bit bouncier. So if you're watching this and you do have a Corvette and you want to lower them for cheap, I would say go for it. I mean, what could go wrong? Now, there actually is a few things that can go wrong. So I did hear you can blow out your front shocks, but I'm maxed out in the front, and you know, I haven't drove it long enough, so I don't really know. But if y'all have like any, like if y'all can vouch for it, just let me know in the comments for other people to help. But yeah, guys, I freaking love it. I'm very happy. Don't mind the broken splitter. It's barely over my foot now. If you do want to go lower in the front, like this isn't low enough for you, you can take out the bolt completely. Now, I'm not going to recommend that because if you want to blow your shock faster, just do that. And the ride quality is really bad. I'm not trying to like completely get rid of my ride quality for looks, even though looks are like amazing. I love stance. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. More to come, guys. I'm going to keep posting consistently. If I have any like ideas or anything y'all want me to talk about or do a video on, please let me know in the comments because it really helps. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers very soon, so please subscribe if you haven't. It means the world to me. I love like just hearing about the support from y'all. But yeah, guys, the car's looking great. I love it. Hope y'all have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.